Beautiful, lightweight, high print quality. Ooh-ah, thank you, Vanna. All right, how this is gonna run is pretty chill. We're going to have our, when your team is called out, we will have you enter through this stanchion, which I can't open. We prepared. There we go. We're gonna have you enter through this stanchion. If you're coming in from up high in the stands, please take your time. We will wait for you. Do not run down the stairs. I will yell at you if you do. We care about your physical safety. You're gonna come down here. You're going to accept your wonderful award. Oh my gosh, Emerald, we had such a great time. Thank you so much. You're gonna stand about here, no farther than this pole right here, so that our wonderful volunteer photographer, Adele, can take your picture. Wave your arm. Thank you, Adele. You're gonna get your picture taken. You're gonna say, yay, I had such a good time this weekend. And then you're gonna walk over here and exit through a stanchion that's currently blocked by people. It's okay. We still love them. Okay, wonderful. And we'll also move the robot so that you don't have to walk around that either. Okay, does that make sense to everybody? I got 2 yeahs. We'll roll with it. All right, starting off with our finalists. They made it all the way through the qualification matches, selected a fantastic alliance, and they should be recognized for making it this far for this wonderful accomplishment. Please welcome down to the field 4488.
From Hillsboro, Oregon, it's Shockwave.
Joining our finalist alliance, 1540, the Flaming Chickens.
And they're from Portland, Oregon.
Alrighty, for our next finalists, we've got 4125 Confidential.
Confidential is from Umatilla, Oregon.
This is the part of the day where you look up at the person with the camera and smile.
Alrighty, introducing our final finalists. Please welcome Team 1359, the Scalawags.
The Scalawags are from Lebanon, Oregon.
let's hear it for our winners. 40-43 Nerd Herd.
Nerd Herd is from Lafayette, Oregon.
Joining them on the winning alliance, let's hear it for 64-43 Aimbot.
Aimbot is from Hillsboro, Oregon.
Joining our winning alliance, none other than 95-67, the Stormbreakers!
The Stormbreakers, your home team from Vancouver, Washington.
Let's get this thing off the ground. Goddamn nerds. Now I'm a god. We've got a hot one for you.
And finally, our wild card at this event. Welcome 99-99, the Gazelles!
The Gazelles, also the home team from Vancouver, Washington.
Well, everyone, I have had a stunning Storm Surge. This is my first time at this event, and I'm sure it will not be my last. I hope that the next time we run this, I will see all of your bright and shining faces. Thank you so much for joining us on a Saturday. Thank you so much for playing Crescendo with us for possibly our last time. I won't get emotional. I'd like a huge shout out to our volunteers who have made today possible. All of our wonderful field resetters, our scorers, our cuers, our new GA, our new MC, all of our hospitality folk, all of the human managers who made walking through the hallways and up and down the elevators consistent and easy for everyone. And most of all, thank you to our mentors and our coaches for making these off-season events possible. Please give our mentors and coaches a quick round of applause. Running teams during the on season is hard enough, but so many of our coaches choose to go above and beyond and make it so that we can be here today. Thank you so much. And we have one final message for you before we say goodnight.
Yes, Skyview High School has graciously allowed us to use this facility for this event. So please, let's leave no trace in the stands. These stands should look cleaner than when we got here. Take all your trash and all the trash that you see around you, even if it's not yours, and throw it away. We greatly appreciate it. That's a wrap on Crescendo, and we'll see you in Reefscape. It's a water game, baby.